Hi, I'm Kamna Bhojwani Dhawan, the founder of momoboard.com, a website for families that travel all over the world. Today we're going to talk about how to pack a backpack when flying. When packing a backpack, there are three important things to remember. First of all, you've got to make sure that your backpack meets the weight requirements of the airline you're going to fly. Airlines today are very strict about how heavy your hand luggage is and will weigh you at check-in and maybe even charge you if they have to check your bag in at the gate. Secondly, you want to put the things that you're going to have to remove at security right on top, such as your laptop and your toiletries. Remember that most countries around the world still have a 3-ounce or 100 ml restriction on liquids in your hand luggage. This does not apply, however, if you have a baby. So make sure to check the tsa.gov website for what restrictions are in that case. Finally, backpacks are great because they have so many pockets and compartments. Make sure to organize your stuff so that you have all your entertainment in one section, your travel documents in another, and your clothes and change and any other thing else you might need in the third, so that you don't have to unpack every time you're reaching for something. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your trip.